can stand anywhere. Your Excellency, my leader, my father, my brother, my everything. Your Excellency, the former governor of Edo State, my father, whom we share a lot in common. I want to thank the number one leader in both parties. I remember my elderly auntie, who she's 98 years old. About 2 years ago, I visited the village. He said, that governor that used to, that Yendeba. Please put Yendeba for me. This is a testimony. This Yendeba moved from Rivers to Abuja. In no time, Abuja have achieved tremendously. Before you'll be going to Apo, you'll be looking for a road. How do you get to Apo? Because one bridge that's supposed to link you to Apo is not there, it's not connected. Overnight, this man came to transform Abuja. I want to tell you a secret. It's also transforming Edo right now. I want to say, I'm not allowed to call your name because you are my master. I want to say a big thank you to you. And God bless you. Thank you.